What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is like 8 something, my imaginary watch. It's like 8 something in the morning. It is Sunday and we are going to church today because it's Sunday. And Carlos Beltran is going to be at church today, so so excited. If you're wondering what this lovely mess is, this is my gym bag. So not yesterday, but the day before yesterday, I went to the gym and I kind of just like dropped all my stuff because I also had a job interview. So I dropped all my stuff and then I was like back out the door. Yesterday I went to work, came home, and I went to sleep at 5:30 and woke up at 7 a.m. this morning. I did not know I was that tired, but I guess we needed to sleep, which is also why my voice is like super groggy, because it is kind of early but not super early, and this is just my morning voice, so bear with me and let's get ready for church. I'm back from church and I am cleaning my room because it's messy as per usual. I don't know, I'm gonna try and go 1 week with like a clean room, and that means like nothing on my bed, nothing on my chair, nothing on my floor, and nothing right next to my bed. 1 week. We're gonna try 1 week. We're gonna see how it goes. But literally, I have so much laundry to do, it's unbelievable, and I don't feel like doing laundry because at the moment I am folding clothes for a living, and laundry day is always like a drag. But we are doing laundry, we're watching some YouTube, although my TV just went to sleep. I just paused it like 2 minutes ago. Anyways. But yes, it's laundry day. And I'm going to die. I hate doing laundry. I need to be like my sister and pay someone to do my laundry. Maybe once we get a better job, we can pay someone. But until then, we're doing laundry. Anyways, why am I so weird, guys? Do you guys think I'm weird? Let me know in the comments. I embrace my weirdness. So if you guys are like, oh, she's so weird, what's wrong with her? Oh, go crawl under a rock and die. Let me tell you guys, I'm not living under a rock. And I'm not going to die. And I will continue to be weird. Because who wants to be normal and boring? Hello? Be yourself. Be yourself. So, let me go be myself. And just straighten up just a tad. Okay, just a tad. Off of my bed. I just had to take those downstairs, and then I started doing laundry. So my room is cleaned for the most part. I'm just doing laundry now, which is always like super grueling. I am super hungry and I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet because I'm just like, I don't feel like cooking. Maybe I'll just eat some Oreos. Although Oreos isn't really like a good option for me, especially when I'm trying to like cut down on like all this junk food, but like it's just here and I just want it so much because it tastes so good and it's quick and easy. But lately I've just been craving like super hot food, like not spicy hot, but like hot food, like oatmeal and pasta, like real food, you know. Oh, what's going on with my voice? But I have to do my nails. There's so much stuff that I have to do today because this week is just going to be super busy. But I really don't want to get to anything. But I'm gonna do it anyways. These nails, I don't know. Nails might have to take a backseat today. But this really sucks because my period is supposed to be coming this week. So I'm like super, super lazy and super unmotivated. But this is like the downside of my life. I'm just like, I'm trying. I have blue mascara on. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, a little bit. But yeah, it's one of the downsides of my life. Like every time I get my period, I get like super, super tired. So let's see. Yesterday, I literally slept for 13 hours. I came home at like 5, and I'd say I went to sleep at 6, like 5:30, 6 o'clock, and I slept all the way till 7 a.m. today. I was down and out for the count. But yeah, no idea what I'm gonna eat. I just want hot food. Just want something hot. Well, let me get back to this laundry. Okay, guys, so it is the end of my day. I did not finish my laundry. I have 2 loads left. My room is clean. I have to fold my lights, and then I'm just gonna finish my laundry tomorrow. Cause it's just like towels and stuff, and then like my bras, but like I have so many, I can finish that tomorrow. But I did want to end this vlog, show you guys what I am doing. So lately I've been experiencing like so much bloating, and I don't know what it is. So before, just to like decrease my bloating, I used to take a shot of apple cider vinegar. And because if you guys ever tasted apple cider vinegar, it is like not the best taste, so I would always chase it with juice. But I don't have juice. Oh wait, do I have juice? I might have juice. We got juice. It's strong watermelon juice, which is something that like I don't like. But we're going to take a shot of apple cider vinegar. We might as well chase it with something super, super sweet. So watermelon juice it is. It honestly tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, and I hate watermelon Jolly Ranchers. But you do what you gotta do. So I got my shot glass. I got my juice. Not a big juice drinker, but bottoms up. Sorry guys. The apple cider vinegar, and I'm chasing it with like cold juice. Just burned my throat. But I promise I won't end my vlogs this tragically anymore. But guys, I used to just take it like a champ, okay? I need to get back into it. But I will end my vlog here. I got my scarf on because I got my braids in. So I'm gonna end my vlog here, finish folding these clothes, and then off to bed. So Good night, guys.